Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina Minggu tanggal 3 April. Tribun Timur mengutip media resmi Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia, juru bicara Kemenhan Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov menyebut dalam 24 jam terakhir, serangan ke fasilitas militer Ukraina masih berlanjut. Pagi ini, rudal laut dan udara presisi tinggi menghancurkan kilang minyak dan 3 depot bahan bakar di dekat Odessa, dari mana bahan bakar dipasok ke sekelompok pasukan Ukraina ke arah Nikolaev. Pertahanan udara pasukan Dirgantara Rusia menjatuhkan 2 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina di dekat Kudryasovka dan Surovka, kata Igor. Pada malam hari, penerbangan operasional dan taktis Angkatan Udara Rusia menyerang 51 fasilitas militer Ukraina. Di antaranya, 4 pos komando, 2 peluncur sistem rudal anti-pesawat OSA AKM di dekat Barvenkovo dan Slaviansk, 2 baterai artileri, 2 peluncur roket ganda, 4 depot lapangan senjata rudal dan artileri dan amunisi di dekat Konstantinovka dan Krestishche, serta 32 titik kuat dan area konsentrasi peralatan militer Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina. Secara total, sejak awal operasi militer khusus, 125 pesawat dan 88 helikopter, 383 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 221 sistem rudal anti-pesawat, 1.903 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 207 peluncur roket ganda, 805 artileri lapangan dan mortir, serta 1.781 unit kendaraan militer khusus telah dihancurkan, kata Igor dikutip Tribun Timur.
Precision sea and air-launched missiles destroyed an oil refinery and 3 fuel depots near Odessa, from which fuel was supplied to a group of Ukrainian troops in the Nikolaev direction. Russian Aerospace Forces air defense have downed 2 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Kudryashovka and Surovka. During the night, operational and tactical aviation of the Russian Aerospace Forces struck 51 military facilities of Ukraine, among them 4 command posts, 2 launchers of OSA AKM anti-aircraft missile system near Barvenkovo and Slaviansk, 2 artillery batteries, 2 multiple rocket launchers, 4 field depots of missile and artillery weapons and ammunition near Konstantinovka and Krestishche, as well as 32 strong points of the area of concentration of military equipment of the armed forces of Ukraine. In total, since the beginning of the special military operation, 125 aircraft and 88 helicopters, 383 unmanned aerial vehicles, 221 anti-aircraft missile systems, 1,903 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 207 multiple rocket launchers, 805 field artillery and mortars, as well as 1,781 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed.